Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to talk about NARS. NARS is a brand that is very stylish, polished according to me. And I just love almost all the products that I have tried from NARS. Those products remind me of something very modern, very edgy and very forward thinking. The first thing that I tried from NARS is their Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. And I collected a few. These are the shades that I have, quite a few, which always get me covered. And as you can see, I've put some markers on it because I always keep them handy and I always keep it in my makeup kit. And that's why I just, put on a label so that I don't misplace it. These are my frequently used pencils. I love them because of its convenience. Every time I use it, I can sanitize it and I can use it again and I can quickly sharpen it. It does not create any mess. Quick fix, and anytime, anywhere you can use them as your lip pencil or a full-on lipstick because the color payoff is that good. Love the fact that most of the NARS product, actually quite a few, are in mini section in Sephora. I usually shop from Sephora and that's why I am referring to Sephora. You will find NARS products in Sephora mini section and it's quite nice size product. And every time I feel like testing something from NARS, I start finding something from the mini section, and once I'm satisfied, I go for the full size. These are the shades that I got in mini size, and these are my full sized NARS lip pencils, lasting for quite a while. And I have been using it over and over again. I have never stopped using them because, as I said, these are wonderful as a lip pencil. These are wonderful as a lipstick. So especially when it comes to fall, I love to contour with these two and I love to wear that rusty toasty shade on my lips. When it comes to spring, oh my god, this color is just amazing. Beautiful fuchsia and a spring-like fuchsia because it has got that perfect warmth to it. And I will share the swatches with all of you, but just a little bit more about the pencils. I got it as my Sephora points. Yeah, I redeemed my points and it was available and I got it because every time I see anywhere, if it is available for point redemption or if it is available in any shade that is in mini size, I just get it because I know they are quite handy and they are quite friendly. It will not give you harsh lips. It will be just one with the lips, and the colors are so beautiful, unique, and it makes me feel that the colors are very carefully done. And I find that the colors mimic the natural hues. That is the best part for me because whenever I put these lip pencils on, I know it will just give me one swipe full color, and when it wears off evenly, and I like that finish. So I've got these and there are 2-3 other shades in mini section and I'm going to add them soon because now I'm craving for those kind of colors, spring, and at the same time I want something which is either hydrating or a lip stain kind of lip product which I can wear even when I am wearing a face mask or a face covering. My first shade, it is a beautiful red with a pink twist to it and just mimics a beautiful rosy red color on my lips. And I just love this color because it's so unique, it's so opaque, and I don't have to be very careful about wearing a red lip when I'm wearing Dragon Girl. Next, Famous Red, which is always a beautiful pinky coral shade and perfect for spring because this is that time when I find myself reaching for Famous Red, and it is just a beautiful, warm and fresh coral pinky shade. That is another nice addition. Now I'm talking about Let's Go Crazy. This shade, which is a beautiful fuchsia. As you can see, all of these shades are beautiful. I would love to go for this shade during spring, summer. So both this one and this one are my favorites when it comes to spring and summer. And whenever I go for purple smoky eye, somehow if I want to jazz it up a little, either I go for this shade or I go for YSL shade number 19 from Rouge Pure Couture Glamorous. So just love it and love to use it on my clients as well, because they are very easy way to put on a beautiful lip color. Doesn't take much time, doesn't take much correction, and that's the best part. I can define my lips with it, I can fill my lips with it, I can just put it as a base and put on a favorite lip color on to increase the longevity of the lip color, and it just gets locked and seals the color with the lips. Now the two shades that came in a combo pack and it's still available, these two shades. It is a very rusty, toasty shade, perfect for fall, even in summer days. I just love to put this on and it gives me a beautiful toned down, earthy kind of vibe. And the last shade from Velvet Matte Pencil is this magenta shade. It is not a loud magenta shade, though I love it, but this one is a very beautiful fall-like shade. If you remember those fall flowers that come in this color, I'm talking about that shade. So most of the time I find myself reaching for this shade during fall. I wear it throughout fall, even I put it on my cheeks, and you may have seen me doing that on my videos, because these are so blendable on the lips, on the cheeks, so beautiful, soft, smooth pencils. Just love them. This is the first product that I would recommend anyone who loves to have a nice lip pencil collection or who just loves to go for some bright pop during the spring, summer. A quick way to apply a very beautiful lip color. If you are a lipstick lover, you would love them because it's a perfect combo of lip pencil and lipstick. Number 2 is NARS blushes. If you haven't checked them out, you should, because they are going to give you that flush of color which you long for. Natural yet stunning, gorgeous on your skin. It's a glow within kind of blush. Got this, which I just love. I hit the pan and I can't imagine my makeup kit without NARS Orgasm Blush, because it is that one shade which most of the time works perfectly on each and every skin tone. Healthy shine, healthy glow, and that beautiful natural pinky peachy flush on your cheeks. You cannot go wrong with it. So if you haven't checked this out, I think this is the time. And the best part is you get to try it in mini size and then decide whether you want to go for a full size or not. Another product from the lip section, which I find very interesting because of its texture, is this pencil. This is different than the matte ones. This pencil is going to give you a beautiful plumped up, shiny, glossy lip. But the strange thing, and which is surprising, is it does not get messy. Even if I sharpen it, it just stays like this, clean. It will add a glossy finish. Look at that color, this one, with full color payoff. And that's why I just love this color. I just love these bright pop-off colors during spring and summer. And my go-to shades are fuchsia. Now I am trying corals because I'm loving those hues on my skin tone. But most of the time I used to reach for red, fuchsia, orange, those kind of shades. So this one really satisfies me because whenever I just want some juiciness and some glossiness on lips, at the same time I want something very quick and just put this on and head out. So that kind of shade is this one, that kind of product is this one. So if you have checked out these Velvet Matte Lip Pencils, sure, need to take a look at this because these are equally good. Somehow I stopped collecting them, but I think I need to revive the collection of that because again, this is going to give my lips a very glossy finish with the stain, and that stain will be beautiful, like a rosy stain, and it will not be messy at all. It will just give me a clean finish that I love. It's so comfortable on the lips and it is so handy. It's a quick application all the time. So that's why I just love these lip pencils. And I think my artist kit, my makeup kit is really not complete without these pencils. And this one is my most recent purchase from NARS, the bronzer. And this is a perfect time for bronzer makeup lovers. We are reaching spring and summer, and definitely a good bronzer can make sunny hues. NARS Laguna, a perfect natural shade for mimicking the sun on your face, and you can wear it throughout. Yes, I wear it throughout. I hit the pan. As you can see, it's a recent purchase, but still I love it so much because it gives me that natural finish. I can contour with it without going too edgy, but at the same time I can build it. I love to work with it. I don't have to work too hard to blend it on my skin. And today also I wore it, but it's hardly visible, but at the same time it is giving me that perfect effect that I like on my skin. So yeah, you can check it out. I just got mini size. I just wanted to test it out on my skin. I just wanted to see whether the color is right for me. But if you are my skin tone or lighter than my skin tone, I think this will work perfectly for you. And it will give you that sun-kissed look. Yeah, even if you don't want to go out, you want to stay at home and enjoy the sunny day, you can mimic the sun on your face. And I am a sun bunny. I just love sun, and I can't wait for those days when it's bright and sunny. Even on those days when I don't get to see sun, it just gets me covered, and I love that effect on my face. And always love to reach out for this one, and ever since I've got it, I think I've never stopped it. It just automatically calls me, and I love to use it on my skin. So spring and summer, yeah, definitely if you are a person who loves bronzers, this is a nice catch. Last but not least, and this is my favorite lipstick from NARS, and I love to reach out for this color during spring and summer. I know most of the time I'll be staying at home, but still I want to experience spring full on through the beautiful nature and through the beautiful hues. And this is that one shade which I reach out for, especially in spring. It is my NARS Audacious lipstick, and I have mentioned the names in the description box. So if you want to take a look at the shade, please be my guest. And that's the shade. Swiped it once, and that's the full-on color I'm talking about. I am in love with these lipsticks. They are super gorgeous, stylish. I just love the shape of it. It is very carefully crafted. It just gives me that satisfaction of full color payoff, and it's a really bold, daring, and really audacious color, and I just love to put this on. And even if I'm not wearing much on my face, and a simple mascara along with this lipstick can get me there, that makeup mood and that energy, because it has got that beautiful electric energy in this tube. So those are my 5 products from NARS, and in future definitely looking forward to try more. I'm yet to try the concealer, the foundation, and more blushes, because they have got a very nice selection of blush colors, and I just can't have enough of it. So on that note, this is Soma saying bye to you. Have fun playing with makeup. What's your favorite from NARS? Let me know on the comment section. If you wish to share your favorite product with me, I would be happy to know about it. See you soon with a couple of new products that I've been trying from last couple of days, as I mentioned in my last video as well. Yeah, the masking, the skincare for spring. Bye. Have a fun day.